Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to perform a carrier lookup for your HUAWEI Nova 13. So, if you have your phone right now, go to Phone app and type this number and dial it, and you will get your email address. And now enter the imei.info website and type your email address right here and press check email or enter, and you will see some basic info about your phone. And if we scroll down, we can find the carrier lookup by phone number. Here enter your phone number, but make sure that you read the instruction so it works properly, and you will get the info once you enter your number and press check phone number, and you will get the results right away. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.